everyone, how are you guys doing? So, as we approach the starting of a new year 2021, it's important that I give you a guidance using tarot cards as the medium as to how this year looks like. And I know 2020 has been pretty rough patch for maximum of us, but don't worry, there is always a new beginning, and 21 looks like that kind of year. So if you want a guidance for yourself, you can see these three pack of cards labeled in front, labeled 1, 2 and 3. All you have to do is look at the three pack of cards one by one. Think about how you want this particular year to be, whether you want pack 1, whether you want pack number 2, or whether you want pack number 3. Whichever particular pack of cards you are feeling drawn towards, you can just comment that particular pack of cards in the comment box below, and straight away forward the video to that particular timestamp to listen to the yearly guidance for yourself. So let's begin. So if you have commented on the first pack of cards, that is pack number 1, this is the guidance for you for the year 2021. It looks like this is the kind of year where there seems to be some kind of projects that will gradually be moving towards a level of completion, a level of closure, a level of some kind of achievement. Maybe it could be possible that you're working on something since the last year 2020, and suddenly this year those things will start coming to a level of completion, because this card over here tells me that there is some kind of project, some kind of thing which you have started on and it will get completed. Okay, it could be even a relationship. It could be possible that you are in a relationship, you are dating somebody, and this could be the year of marriage or tying the knot for you as well. However, it is important not to lose your patience, because this is the card over here which tells that you need to hold on to your patience and not become frantic, or not become very anxious about anything. Remember, everything takes its own sweet time to happen, and so will this year 2021 will be. It will be a year of movement. It will be a year of change. However, you just need to tell yourself that I need to be patient, I need to hold on and wait for the best of the things to happen. Moving on ahead to the guidance coming from from the universe again, it is saying that it will not be like a very smooth year altogether, but that is how life is supposed to be. It's full of like a roller coaster ride, right? It has ups and down phases, but this is the kind of year which will make you mentally very, very strong. It will be the kind of year where you might face some kind of setbacks, but it will eventually make you a stronger person. It will make you a more evolved person, and it will teach you the most important lessons of life, that is to have a very strong mindset. Also, it looks like this is the kind of year where you will finally become lucky. So lucky in the sense that maybe if you have been working really hard towards something, but somehow for some reason you were not getting good results towards that project, this will be the year where you will get maybe a ray of luck, a spark of luck, and suddenly your things, your projects, your goals will start moving towards a level of achievement as well. However, remember that this is the year where you need to be really strong mentally and keep your mindset really, really strong. So affirm with me in the comment box below, saying that I am a strong person. I am a strong person. So comment this below, I am a strong person. And on this note, you can start the year by telling yourself that I am a strong person, and no matter what comes my way, I will accept it and face it, and I will evolve towards a better person and a better individual. So that's all for this particular yearly guidance. Let me know in the comment box below if you like these kind of videos, and if you like these kind of videos to be made in the future, or you want a different pattern of videos for the new year's. So take care, have a blast, have a good year ahead. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Hi, so if you have commented on the second pack of cards for yourself, this is the guidance for the year 2021. It's a very general kind of guidance, and I am not specifying any particular aspect of life. So just keep this guidance at the top of your head whenever you are approaching a particular situation of your life. First of all, it's a great year. It's a beautiful year to implement new projects, to invest your money into some kind of new venture. And it is also the kind of year where you know, some of your pending plans will finally make a way towards inauguration level. Okay, so this card over here, the new vision card over here, gives the guidance along with the world card over here, that this is going to be the kind of year where you will finally pave your way, and you will initiate new projects, new decisions, new relationships also in your life. Now, coming to relationships, it can also mean that some of your stale old relationships, which were no longer serving any higher good in your life, will finally move out, and you will become a better evolved person. All right, so that is for the general kind of note for this particular year. Now, also I see that so a very beautiful message coming over here on these cards is that it is also a very beautiful year for you to manifest. So when it comes to manifestation, remember your energies are going to be very, very strong and supportive, and there will literally be nothing that you cannot manifest. So make sure that whatever your goals are, you write them down, you journal them down, make a to-do list in the, towards every new day. Make sure that you have all your goals drafted down, because it's a beautiful year for you to manifest as well. Now, moving on ahead towards another guidance over here is also telling that for relationships, it could be the kind of year where you will have to decide to move out of certain relationships or certain toxic feelings, and move towards better people, better emotions, better energies as well. However, remember that for relationships also, it has to start with you. So until and unless you don't pamper yourself, you don't love yourself, it will not do any good to you. So start this year on a beautiful note by maybe giving yourself a treat, some kind of pampering session, or some kind of shopping therapy, something like that. But make sure that you do pamper yourself, you do love yourself, you do take care of yourself really well, and start this year on that particular note. And overall, I think this year looks kind of good, and the major emphasis seems to be on new projects, on new beginnings, on new journey, on new relationships as well. So definitely seems to be a good year. And if you want further details about how this year is going to be for you, I have shared a numerology guidance as well in my Instagram account. So if you want, you can follow me there to check out more details about how this year 2021 looks like. So have a good year ahead, and the affirmation for you for this particular year is going to be that I am evolving. Comment this affirmation below in the box. I am evolving. And with that, I wish you a happy new year, a good luck, a lot of a lot of good luck, and a lot of new beginnings as well in your life. Take care. Namaste. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to a new year 2021 ahead. And if you have commented on the third pack of cards for yourself, this is the guidance for you for the year 2021. It's a general guidance, and you can just keep it at the top of your head whenever you approach a particular situation or aspect of life. So it looks like a very prosperous year. It looks like the year full of abundance. It looks like the year of some kind of success, some kind of celebration in the first half especially. So it could be possible that some investment, some project, some relationship of yours will give you fruitful results probably in the first half of the year, that is by April or May of 2021. So all the best for that. Second, moving on further ahead, it looks like from this abundance card over here, it looks like this is going to be the year of a beautiful mindset shift. That means you will become mentally very, very strong. You will learn to ignore, let go, and move past certain areas of your life or certain energies which are anyway not serving any higher good, any higher purpose in your life. You will intentionally decide to let go of a lot of things and try to focus your attention only on those things which really important, which really matter to you, and which hold a really important position, a place in your life as well. Also try to spend a lot of time consumption, consuming organic food, organic products as well. Try not to go in for artificial or materialistic aspect of life too much, because the funny part about this year is that the more you run after money, the more money will run away from you. So try to resort to a very simple holistic kind of lifestyle this year, and trust me, when you start doing that, you will start noticing abundance and all kind of prosperity around you as well. Also, I feel that you know some past relationships, some past projects, some people from your past might try to approach you this year and try to rectify, resolve things, and move towards a new beginning, a new phase of life altogether. But that being said, it could be possible that even though somebody is approaching you, you will decide intentionally not to accept them, because like I said, mindset shift is something which will happen to you a lot this year. So that's a good part. You are basically becoming more mature, you are becoming evolved as an energy, as a source, as a medium. All right, so your work looks good, your relationships look good, and most important, you look good. So all the best for this year 2021 ahead. And just take care of your health, and don't try to overindulge yourself into anything, any kind of food consumption or any kind of exercise as well. Remember to have the perfect balance in your life, in all the aspects of your existence. And the affirmation for you this particular year is that I am abundant. So comment that in the box below, I am abundant. And with that, also I have shared a detailed guidance on how the year 21 looks from a numerology perspective on my Instagram account. So if you want, you can follow me there and check out the post about how this year 21 looks like from the numerology perspective. So yeah, that's it for this year. Take care, have a beautiful year ahead, stay blessed, and enjoy yourself. Bye bye.